Welcome to this complete Android training roadmap by GoLogica. Here, we walk through everything you need to know to begin and grow your career as an Android developer. Whether you are a fresher or entering the IT industry, this programmer transitioning into mobile development, or a tech enthusiast eager to build your own apps, this roadmap will give you a clear, step-by-step guide to mastering Android development from beginner to professional level. Roadmap. About course. Key modules. Android app architecture. Advanced and technical topics. Roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program about the course. Let's start by understanding the core purpose of this Android training. Android is the world's most widely used mobile operating system, powering billions of devices around the globe from smartphones and tablets to smart TVs, wearables, and even modern vehicles. Because of this massive ecosystem, learning Android development gives you the ability to create powerful real-world applications that can reach and impact millions of users. In this training, you will discover how Android apps are built, how the operating system manages tasks and resources behind the scenes, and how different components like activities, fragments, and services interact to create smooth user experiences. You will also learn to use Android Studio to design interfaces, write code, test features, and publish apps. The entire program focuses on practical, hands-on learning, ensuring you develop strong coding skills, real application building experience, and the confidence needed to become a job-ready Android developer. Let's discuss the key modules. Let's now explore the key modules you will learn during Android training. We begin with the fundamentals of Java or Kotlin, the core programming languages used for Android development. In this stage, you will learn variables, functions, loops, OOP concepts, inheritance, interfaces, and error handling, which form the backbone of your coding skills. Next, we move into Android UI development, where you design the visual structure of your apps. You will work with XML layouts, buttons, text views, edit texts, recycler view, and other interactive components. You will also use constraint layout and material design principles to create clean, responsive, and user-friendly screens. We then dive into essential Android components activities, fragments, intents, and the activity lifecycle. These components act as the core engine that manages how your app behaves, interacts, and transitions between screens. You will also explore data storage options, such as shared preferences, SQLite, Room Database, and the modern Data Store API. These tools allow your apps to store user information, handle offline data, and maintain seamless functionality. By mastering these functional modules, you will gain the confidence and technical foundation needed to start building complete, high-quality Android applications. Android app architecture. Next, let's understand Android app architecture, which is one of the most important aspects of building scalable, maintainable, and high-quality applications. Google strongly recommends using modern Android architecture, with MVVM, Model View View Model, being the most widely adopted pattern. In this phase of your training, you will learn how MVVM separates your UI from your business logic, making your apps easier to manage, test, and update. You will also work with View Model and Live Data, two powerful components for efficient data and state management, even during screen rotations or configuration changes. Along with this, you will explore the core Android Jetpack components, which provide pre-built solutions for navigation, lifecycle management, background work, and more. You will learn how the navigation component simplifies screen flow and reduces boilerplate code while improving app stability. Additionally, you will gain hands-on experience with data binding and view binding, modern tools that help you write cleaner and more interactive UI code with fewer errors. Mastering Android architecture ensures that you build apps the way top companies expect: clean, organized, testable, and future-ready. This knowledge takes your development skills to a professional level and prepares you to work confidently on real-world Android projects. Exploring Android advanced and technical topics. Once your fundamentals are strong, you will move into the world of advanced Android development, where you begin working with tools and techniques used in real production-level applications. You will start with networking, learning how to connect apps to the internet and interact with REST APIs. Using powerful libraries like Retrofit and OKHTTP, you will fetch live data, display it on the UI, manage loading states, and handle errors gracefully. This is the foundation of building dynamic, data-driven mobile apps. Next, you will explore dependency injection using Hilt or Dagger, an essential skill for large and scalable projects. You will also learn Work Manager and coroutines, which help you manage background tasks efficiently while keeping your apps responsive and smooth. As you progress, you will work with Firebase, learning authentication, Firestore database, cloud messaging for push notifications, and analytics. These features allow you to build modern real-time applications, including chat apps, notification systems, and cloud-based data solutions. Finally, you will dive into Jetpack Compose, Google's modern UI toolkit that simplifies Android app design. Compose enables developers to build stunning, interactive UIs with significantly less code and is rapidly becoming the future standard for Android development. Now, let's discuss roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Now let's look at the career opportunities and salary expectations in the field of Android development, one of the most in-demand career paths in today's IT industry. After completing your Android training, you can apply for roles such as Android developer, mobile app developer, Kotlin developer, Android UI/UX developer, or even Android application tester. In these roles, you will be responsible for designing and building user interfaces, writing clean and efficient code, integrating REST APIs, managing data storage, debugging issues, improving app performance, and publishing applications on the Google Play Store. In terms of salary, Android development offers excellent growth. In India, freshers typically earn between 3 lakh to 6 lakh per year. With 2 to 4 years of experience, Android developers earn around 6 lakh to 12 lakh per year, while senior developers can earn 15 lakh to 25 lakh or even more, depending on their expertise in Kotlin, architecture components, and Jetpack Compose. In international markets, Android developers earn between $70,000 and $120,000 per year, while senior and specialized developers can make $130,000 to $160,000 per year, especially in the US, Canada, and Europe. Overall, Android development provides long-term stability, strong demand, and excellent earning potential across the world. Training program. Finally, let's go through how the Android training program at GoLogica is structured. The training begins with the basics: Android Studio setup, Kotlin or Java fundamentals, and UI design. After that, you start building real-world screens, layouts, and reusable UI components to strengthen your foundational skills. Next, you learn how to integrate APIs, create and manage databases, and work with modern Jetpack architecture. As the program progresses, you dive into advanced features like Firebase integration, push notifications, location services, and Jetpack Compose for modern UI development. The GoLogica training program includes hands-on coding assignments, debugging practice, testing exercises, and complete end-to-end app development projects. You will build multiple real-time applications such as a weather app, chat app, Notes app, and News app using live APIs. Along with technical training, you also receive resume guidance, interview preparation, GitHub portfolio setup, and project-based assessments to help you become job-ready. By the end of the program, GoLogica ensures you have the skills, confidence, and practical experience needed to build professional Android applications and launch a successful career in mobile development. Thank you for watching this Android training roadmap. If you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe. To begin your Android development journey, explore GoLogica full course, syllabus, and enrollment details below.